Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how does sorting algorithm works. Both the selection sort and the merge sort algorithm. We have a program here. I'm going to show you on how this program works. First we are going to run this program. Here we can see enter the size of the array. We are going to enter 4. To enter 4 elements. We are going to enter 4 unsorted elements for this program to be sorted. We're into 4, 3, 2, 1. Here is the result. The sorted element using selection sort, the sorted element using merge sort. Mano siyang program. Basically, mano siyang structure sa main method. We're going to create the scanner, ask for the size of the array and store it in this value. This is the size. In creating the array for program, we initialize it with the size entered by the user. Next, we're going to enter the sorted elements. This for loop will accept the values and store it in the array named array. Next, we will display the elements before sorting. Here this is the elements before sorting. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we will perform the selection sort to print the element sorted using the selection sort method. We're going to call the selection sort method and apply this method to our array. Let's go to the selection sort. Basically, the selection sort works it works like this. First, we are going to place the pointer to the first element or the index 0 element. Let's start with that. Initialize for loop and initialize I to 0 or the first element lesser than the length of the array minus 1. The first position is 0. Then we will going to find the least element or the smallest element to be compared for the sorting. First, we're going to have another for loop. Initialize to I, which is the 0 first, then plus 1. J is lesser than the array length. Next, if the array is lesser than the array index, if ang first nga nakabutang dere, example 0, since 1, 0 man to, 4 man to itong nag-enter na number, then na siya sa index 0. Mag-proceed ta since if the array is lesser than, this is false man, false. Since the ang element na nasa first value kay 4 man, this is false pa. Since false man, dili pa mo proceed. Pangitaon pa sa program kung asa ang smallest value. So false gihapon sa ikaduha. To make this easier, we'll have our illustration here. So first nga value is 4. The second value is 3. Three, 2, and lastly 1. So first index 0, siyang index 0, another index 0, index 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So first, ang program mangita siya sa 0. I-compare niya tanan values. So the first pointer na dere to 0. To 0. Then na may 4 man siya ang iyang value sa kani. So false. Mo-proceed siya sa next sa 1 na po 3, which is andre ang pointer sa 0. So nakapoint siya sa 4. And compare ang 4 sa 3. And then next, mas gamay man ang 4 sa 3, ibalhin ang 3 sa first. So 3 na tong first nga value. Then naadre ang 4. Next, nakapoint ta balik sa 3 as the smallest value. So mag-proceed siya, balik niya sa 4. Since nagbalik sa 4, mas dako man gapon ng 4, so mag-proceed siya sa next sa 2. So small man ang 2, ili siya dari, mag-ili siya sa 2. So the formation now is 2, 3, 4. Next, balik na siya sa pointer, the 0. So compare sa next value, increment next value, gihapon bigger gihapon sa 2, proceed sa last value, which is the 1. So 1 man, mas gamay man siya isa sa 2, so mag-ili sila position. Ang first value nato karon kay 1. So now i-proceed rin ang 2, then next ang 3, next ang 4. So this is the sorted list now. This is how the algorithm works in this program. So that is how the selection sort works. The selection sort algorithm works virtually. Next, we will proceed now to the merge sort algorithm. So the merge sort algorithm, we should always remember the word or the saying divide and conquer. So basically, this code here, we cannot explain it directly. We will have a visual presentation for the logic of this algorithm. So here is the visual representation of the code and the logic of the merge sort algorithm. So first, the program will repeatedly divide these values into halves, into half. So first we are going to divide the 4 and 3 and the 2 and 1. So here, so 4, so after dividing, so recursively, we are going to divide this recursively. So until there is only one element in each array. So next, after dividing these two, we're going to divide these two again. So here, we have now the 4 sub-elements or sub-arrays for our elements. So each of the array has one element. So next, we are going to merge each of these values. So for merge, first before merging, we should compare these values. Which will go first? So 4 and 3. So we'll compare these values, which is smaller, then rearrange into a merge. Rearrange, then merge. So first, since 3 is smaller, 3 will go first. Then the next will be the 4. So we have now our first merged array. So this is done recursively in the program, so we cannot directly explain it. So next, we are going to compare this array and this array. So which will go first? So since smaller ang 1, siya ang mag-go first. Next, next, 2. So we have now the sorted sub-arrays for our array. These are temporary arrays. So next, we will compare these two arrays, which is the bigger and smaller. So we can see that 1 and 2 is smaller than the 3 and 4. So this array here will go first. So we're going to merge this. 1, this is connected. 2, and next 3, and finally 4. So we have now our sorted array using merge sort. Using merge sort algorithm. So simply, how does this works? So first, we have this unsorted list. We're going to divide it into halves like this. Next, divide this into temporary arrays also, which we can have the single element and one array. the single element in every array. So next we are going to merge and compare. So first compare these values, which will go first. Between 3 and 4, 3 will go first. Then next is 4. So these two arrays are merged and sorted. Next, in the next value, we can see that 1 is lesser, so this one will go first and the 2 will go next. So we have another sub-array or the temporary array. Next, since these two elements are combined and sorted, we are going to combine these elements. So we compare this, we can see that 1 and 2 is smaller than the 3 and 4. So the 1 and 2 will go first, followed by the 3 and 4. So finally, we have our sorted array using the merge sort method. So go back to our program. So this is the recursive process on how we can merge and sort our arrays to finally sort it into its arrangement. Here is the code. So that is all. That is how we can apply the selection sort and the merge sort. So thank you for watching. Bye.